Hello everyone, I'm Kajal Mehra from TimesTech, and today we are at 33rd Convergence India Expo 2026 at New Delhi. And today with us is Dr. Devasia Kurain. He's the Managing Director of astTECS. Hello sir, I welcome you to our short Q&A session today. And first of all, I would like you to introduce yourself and more about astTECS and your role in astTECS to our audience.
Yeah. I'm Dr. Devasia Kurain, Managing Director of astTECS. astTECS was started to revolutionize the enterprise communication. We started basically enterprise communication. The primary thing is the PBX. Then we came ahead with the call center dialer. So we kept adding multiple products which is in and around the enterprise communication.
Okay.
Then messaging came, WhatsApp, all those things. So now it has become a all-encompassing multi-channel system.
Okay. Thank you very much for the introduction, and let's move ahead with the Q&A session for today. So my first question for you is, sir, that at the Convergence India Expo 2026, where next-gen communication technologies are in focus, how is astTECS leveraging open source platforms to redefine enterprises' communication systems?
See, as I told earlier also, enterprise communication is changing phases. In the past 2 decades, if you see, 2 decades back, it was more like PBX is dead, or as the mobiles came in, people used to say that who is going to use PBXs? Everybody is going to talk on phones, on the mobile phones. But then as time progressed, we saw that the PBX has evolved. It became integrated with the enterprise CRM, ERP, things like that. And then if you see today, it's AI has come in. So the PBX has become much more smart. And in coming times, the PBX is going to be a central part of the enterprise communication, and where AI, it will control the interaction, the human interaction with AI, and responses back, everything. That centerpiece will be the PBX.
Okay. So with the growing integration of AI in communication technologies, how is astTECS evolving its portfolio to include AI-powered solutions like Chatbots, Voicebots, and TalkSport?
Yeah. See, the AI is bringing in a whole new spectrum of possibilities. And of course, it is also somewhere associated with a certain workforce, becoming more efficient. Of course, the fears, one cannot take it away where, maybe there will be job losses, things like that. But as every new technology, initially these fears are there, but then the jobs will get transformed to different type of jobs. I don't think there is much of a fear. But the possibilities what it brings in managing the workforce and optimizing the workforce is huge. And there, the PBX, because you have to imagine the human has to talk with the enterprise systems. So how does it happen? It is not that I just sit and talk, and I need some interface, and the easiest or the cheapest interface is the PBX, because I can take the phone, I can talk, and then it will integrate. It goes into the system, the enterprise network. It will find the solutions, and when maybe I can tell a simple example. For example, I say that when my sales crosses 1 crore, make an announcement. So this, I am taking my phone and telling it to the system. So the system, there is something called agentic AI, which is growing at a CAGR of 45%. So this one agent is listening to this conversation. So then the agentic AI thing starts working. The agent finds out, okay, where does the revenue come? Maybe he has a CRM system or a tally, or somewhere it will fetch the revenue. Once the revenue crosses 1 crore, then it will make an announcement. So maybe there is a speaker, and then the announcement comes out.
Okay.
So all these things are being handled by the interface, the human interface to the AI system is being the PBX.
Okay.
So that is how the whole scenario is evolving.
Great. So, given India's rapid digital transformation and increasing demand of scalable communication infrastructure, what opportunities do you see for astTECS in sectors like BFSI, government, and smart enterprises?
Yeah, I would say seeing the India's stage and also the new technologies coming, astTECS sees huge opportunities. I think uh, becoming more efficient. I mean, India is at a juncture where the whole world is opening up. We have a very good opportunity to bring in a AI workforce. So all these things in this progression, uh, as I mentioned earlier, enterprise communication is very key. And so, along with India's progress, I think surely astTECS also has very good opportunities to move forward.
That's good, great to know. So Aztec has built a global presence across 30 plus countries. What have been the key factors behind growth, and how are you positioning the company for further international expansion?
See, we were on a constant innovation path.
Mhm.
The PRBX, which was supposed to be dead 20 years back, has evolved, and today it is getting more and more prominent. And to keep up with pace with this, we were also innovating from day one, and we have as the of course the PRBX, which was supposed to be dead, is not the same PRBX as on today. It has gone through multiple innovations, and I think astTECS team was always in upfront of the innovations. Again, for example, the IP PRBX, we are the first company in PRBX to announce that there is a AI PRBX. So
Sorry.
globally, we are proud to say that we are the first company globally in the PRBX market to announce that we will be having a AI PRBX. And even our products, they are ready for agentic AI. The speakers are ready, the PRBX is ready. So this, keeping up with the innovation. I mean, I can challenge. You can check. No other PRBX vendor has told that my system is agentic AI ready.
Okay.
So keeping pace with this innovation, and that has astTECS team has done well, and that is where we are present in all these markets.
Good. So, as communication ecosystem become more complex with cloud, mobility, and remote work trends, what are the biggest challenges enterprises face today, and how is Aztecs addressing them through innovation?
Yeah, I think enterprises are today a little confused
Yes.
because there are a lot of things happening around. A lot of discussions are going on. People are talking about AI. They see some wonderful demos, these that. So now how this can be applied to my organization, and I can take all these benefits what the whole world is promising is something which organizations are struggling with. But
Yeah.
of course, it is also a phenomenon. Any new technology coming, it will take some time for the organizations to figure it out.
Okay.
But I think organizations are on the right path. There are a lot of implementations happening, uh, and it is on the right path. I mean, I think but these confusions are there. I think that is a challenge which organizations are facing.
Definitely it does. So, what are the new products that you are trying to launch, or that you have been working at current stage? What are
Yeah.
the new things that you're going to launch?
See I mean, we have two streams in the sense we have a AI stream where we come out with Dogbot, Voicebot, Chatbot. These are all products where the enterprise efficiency becomes much better.
Okay.
Then we have some hardware products. The IP PS speakers is a very good addition product. See, hotels, hospitals, all those things. Public announcement is becoming ever more important, and especially with all this technology innovation, automation. Yes, many things are being automated. So any hazard happening or anything, any event happening, it has to be announced. The employees should know. So that way we have come out with the IP PS speaker. Earlier it was only analog PS speakers. It's a new generation of PS speakers, again in line with our innovations.
Okay.
So which is a very trending product, and I think which is moving very well.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your time, sir, and thank you so much for providing us the responses very well.
Sure.
And thank you so much for watching us.
Thank you.